Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into episode 517. What is the bidding process in procurement? And we're looking ahead to 2025 trends. If you're in business, supply chain management, or just curious about how companies get the best deals, this is for you. Let's break it down step by step. First off, procurement is all about acquiring goods, services, or works from external sources, and the bidding process is the heart of it. It's a structured way to ensure fairness, transparency, and value for money. Imagine you're buying a new office building. Bidding helps you compare offers from different contractors without playing favorites. So, how does it work? It starts with the invitation to bid. Organizations release a request for proposals, RFP, or tenders, outlining what they need. Potential suppliers then prepare and submit their bids, including prices, timelines, and qualifications. This is where things get competitive. Next comes the evaluation phase. A team reviews the bids based on criteria like cost, quality, and compliance. In 2025, we're seeing more emphasis on digital tools and AI for faster, unbiased evaluations, plus a push for sustainable practices. For instance, bids might need to include eco-friendly materials to meet new regulations. Once evaluated, the winning bid is selected, and a contract is awarded. But it's not over. There's often a debrief for unsuccessful bidders to maintain good relationships. The whole process promotes efficiency and reduces risks, like overpaying or getting subpar work. By 2025, expect bidding to evolve with blockchain for secure transactions and more online platforms for global participation. This makes it easier for small businesses to compete. In summary, understanding the bidding process can save you time and money. If you're involved in procurement, always stay updated on regulations. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time.